Hello, today we're going to be making just a quick barbecue sauce. I didn't have any barbecue sauce, I'm just going to make some for dinner tonight. I got some ketchup, no sugar added. I think this is made out of date puree and tomato paste and stuff. So I'm going to start out with about a third cup of water. You use about a half a cup of ketchup. Mix it in there. About, say, a half teaspoon of black pepper. About a half teaspoon of smoked paprika. Get that nice smoky flavor. Some onion powder. I'm just estimating here, got some Worcestershire, however you say it. A couple teaspoons of that. I got some apple cider vinegar. I'd say about a third cup of that. That's where your tanginess comes from. Do have some tomato paste here. This will make the sauce pretty thick. What I've seen around here in my local grocery stores is a lot of the barbecue sauce, it has corn syrup in it to sweeten it, and that's no good. So you're gonna put to the whole can. I think this is a 6-ounce can. Then I got some local raw honey from the Amish. Say about a third of a cup as well. And there's your sweetener. If I had any, I would probably use some maple syrup. There's a lot of benefits in that as well. Or you can just use brown sugar. That'd be another good one too, but try to stay away from the sugar and use natural sweeteners like honey and syrup. Alright, I'm gonna whisk that up, and you're gonna put this on the stove under low heat until it starts simmering. And then you can use it for whatever you use barbecue sauce with, whether it be sloppy joes. We're just doing some pulled pork, so that's what we're gonna use it for. But alright, that's quick barbecue sauce. One thing I forgot to mention, I forgot to put some salt in it, so I put about a half a teaspoon of salt in there as well. And if you wanted to make it a little spicy, you can put some cayenne pepper if you have that around. Put that in. I put a little bit more water in there too, just to have a little bit more runny, because it was a little thick with that tomato paste. So yeah, just get this simmering for about 20 minutes, and then you can add it to your food. Alright, my pulled pork is all done. Gonna put it on there nice. have about a pound, I think it was a little over a pound of pork that went with it. It turned out pretty good. Another thing too, instead of mixing it all together with pork, you can just save it in a mason jar and put it in the fridge. Wait till it cools down a little bit, or run your mason jar under hot water so it doesn't crack when you put the hot barbecue sauce in there. But it should keep for about 2 weeks in the fridge, so then you can just use it for grilling or barbecues, sloppy joes, basically anything. So, all right. Thanks for watching.